Hi, my name is Helen Baker, and I currently work as a full-time health educator for a nonprofit in Chicago, Illinois. We are sent into area public schools to present information and workshops on everything from puberty to reproductive health to drug awareness. And so I find this particular course, the Social Welfare Policy course, to be directly valuable to the work I am now doing in this role and the organization I work for, as I absolutely agree that having a better understanding of policy making and procedure at both the micro and macro level is necessary for the work we do. So I'm excited about that in particular, as policy directly informs funding that's available to us to continue the programs we offer, but also opportunities for us to extend and include new offerings and new communities in the work we're doing. What I have enjoyed learning the most so far, I think really the data analysis course was valuable to me, as my background at the graduate level is in research, but not data analysis research. My original graduate degree is in history, and so the opportunity to learn the processes behind data collection and then what to make of that data was tough. It was hard for me. It was unfamiliar territory, but ultimately I really enjoyed it. But it certainly was also challenging. I look forward to another course with many familiar names and faces, as well as meeting others and sharing in this experience.